Slime review for Slime Obsidian Blood Curse. This is an unscented clear slime. I paid $14.99. The color is amazing. It's so shiny and bright. It's really good for table play and bubble pops. I don't know if it's because it's a clear slime, but it's really sticky. I've added so much activator and it's still sticky. The longer I played with it, the less shiny and bright it got. It's pretty messy. Pieces of it would fly everywhere as I was playing with it. Overall, I give this a 3-star. See y'all Slimers later.